Yes, I'm going to get started. Other students, those who are sitting at there, you will see, आप देखेंगे, what a great talking you can image, you can feel, you can realize, you can sentiment, no problem. Okay, now take this. Okay.
What is your name?
My name is Anil Ansari. What is your name?
My name is Ashansari. What is your father name?
My father name is Istiakam. Have you eaten food?
No, I haven't eaten food. How
Why
are
haven't
you?
you eaten food?
I haven't eaten. Pardon?
Why haven't you eaten food?
I haven't eaten food because I have fever.
Then first.
Nowadays, what are you looking?
Nowadays I am looking.
First,
Nowadays I am looking many people.
first of all, what did you say?
I said English.
Can you Katre?
Yes, I can Katri. Can you tell that where is Allahabad?
No, I can't tell that. I don't know where is Allahabad. You know?
Yes, I know.
Very good. Come on.
Who is elder in your family?
My father is in my family, who is Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh.
Narendra Modi is Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh.
Can you tell me when did you get up morning?
Yes, I can tell you. I get up morning at 6 o'clock.
Whose pen is this?
Saira's pen is this.
Who is that?
That is Mannan sir.
Whose pen is Anna?
I don't know.
Where are you from?
I am from Basupur.
Where is Basupur?
Basupur is beside how many siblings are?
There are 22 siblings. How many brothers and sisters have you?
I have one brother and two sisters. What is your elder brother name?
My elder brother name is Abu Bakar Ansari. What is your
In which
what is
class
your
he is
brother
reading?
name?
In which class he is reading?
He is reading in 12th class. In which class are you reading?
I am reading in 8th class.
Which teacher were you achieving knowledge?
I am achieving knowledge by Mannan sir. Who is Mannan sir?
Manna sir is teacher. Oh, you know about Mannan sir?
Yes, I know about Mannan sir.
Who is Mannan sir?
Mannan sir is English teacher.
How many subjects are in 9th class?
There are 4 subjects in 9th class. How many?
Which all are?
Science, social science, Hindi, English.
How many types of noun?
There are 5 types of
Which all are? Which all are?
proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, avestive noun.
Very good. क्या बात?
How many HB are in 10th?
There are 22 HV. Can you tell that where is Afan?
Yes, I can tell that Afan is at home. Whose son is he?
I don't know whose son is here. Who is chief minister in Uttar Pradesh?
Sri Adityanath is Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Who is President of India?
Draupadi Murmu is president in Uttar Pradesh.
Have you eaten food?
Yes, I have eaten food. Who had cooked the food?
Had you operated?
Who had cooked the food?
My mother had cooked food.
What is her name?
Her name is Reshma Begum. Had you operated computer?
Yes, I had operated.
Computer is good.
Yes, computer.
How do you say computer is good?
I say computer is good because I am looking. I look.
Would you like to tell how is your family condition?
Yes, I would like to tell your condition is good.
Yes, my family condition is good. How do you say my family condition is bad? Very.
I say your family condition is bad because your father give money my father.
You will go.
Yes, I will go.
Where had you gone?
He had gone to Lucknow.
Nowadays, what are you looking?
Nowadays, I am looking. The children are watching mobile.
Where will you go?
I will go at home.
With whom are you?
I am with mother.
On which station were you purchasing ticket?
I am purchasing ticket on Handia at Handia station. At which market were you purchasing cloth?
I am purchasing cloth at. I was purchasing cloth at Handia market.
Can you tell that where is Handia? Can you tell that?
Which car is good?
Varna car is good.
How do you say Varna car is good?
I say Varna car is good because I look.
Have you time for talking?
Yes, I have time for talking. How many
cloths have you?
I have 5 cloths. Can you tell that where is Hathi Park?
Yes, I can tell the Hathi Park is in Allahabad.
Very good.
How do you say Allahabad.
I say Hathi Park is Allahabad because I am looking.
You are looking?
Yes, I am
How do you
looking.
say you are looking?
I say I am looking because I am going.
You
I
have
want
gone to Hathi Park?
Have you money?
Yes, I have money. Has she gone?
Yes, he has gone.
Have you decorated room?
Yes, I have decorated room.